This one machine, after you put the product front of the machine, and you go to the working area and start to running and start to working. And can install the cold gooseberry system and install the hot melt goods system, let the cost price get lower. This one machine, after you use, you will think about the efficiency. The efficiency is fast, so it's no problem. And after you use this one machine, you can calculate the cost price about the sticker. Okay, so you can calculate the cost price. Actually, it's lower than before. This one is special order. If you want to produce a lot of carton boards or the paper boards, also you can use this one machine to produce. Okay, so if you get interested, actually you can deliver some product to us and we can use the machine to testing and send the video to you. If you get satisfied it, you can come to visit, and I think this one is not waste your time. The label sticker system, after install on the big machine, okay, so you not too much limit. You can install 2 to 3 functions. Maybe you just learn 30 minutes, even the old lady, old uncle, and they can know how to use the machine.